following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. This is a very exciting video for myself. Ooh, watch out the garage door there. Got the boy Mess in the back, Reckless up ahead. I'm so happy to be riding with Mess again, bro. It's been a good minute. But as you guys can see, what I have in front of me is the brand new bike. The bike I was waiting for. Brand new 2024 M1000RR. It's completely stock right now. Completely stock exhaust. I took off the plate just because you know, safety reasons. Not riding without a plate, obviously, guys. You know, but man, she is a beauty. We're about to go for a quick bike night. As of right now, this video, by the time you see it, nobody knows I have this bike yet. So not even wearing an S1K Ralphie shirt or nothing, just no gear, no nothing, just a regular t-shirt. I gotta put 600 miles in this bike. Chain has a bunch of lube that honestly it's like the grease. I was gonna try to remove it. It is the M chain, the one they say that doesn't need service or whatnot. I think that's cap. But let's start her up. It's gonna sound like a lawnmower. You ready? Ah! Oh my god, it sounds like crap. Oh my goodness, this sounds bad. It sounds disgusting. But at the end of the day, it is the all new M1000RR in front of me. It's mine. I'm so happy I own this bike now. So Mez was a big part of it. Shout out to Mez for giving me the advice financially and stuff like that. Also Ben, if you're watching this, brother, appreciate you, man. Ben was able to talk to the sales guy about this bike, about the numbers, so he was a big part of it too. But it's got 2 miles on the dash. This is the first time I ride it, and immediately it's taller. Like, my legs are stretched out more, so it's definitely taller. I like that. It's got hill assist, so right now it's got hill assist, so I'm like humping the bike. But alright, boys, it is regular shifting right now, not GP. Okay, alright, we need gas. Wow, soft throttle, super firm clutch. Okay, 3 miles on the dash. Yeah, hold up. Wow, it's so smooth and shifting. Holy crap. It's very different than the S1000. Very different. But wow, definitely taller. Let's do a walk around before I ride it more, before it gets dirty. But man, guys, I cannot believe this bike is going to be part of this channel now. So everything about this bike, I'll be making a video about everything. There's not a whole lot to do to this bike besides obviously the main things, but everything will be recorded, a video, and then any sponsors that come along, then I'll be naming those. I'm gonna try to be as transparent as possible about this bike. So if y'all have any questions, y'all comment down below. We gotta get rid of those ugly reflectors there. But I'm excited, guys. Look at the sunset. It is kind of cloudy though, but man. And then of course we cannot forget about Mess's fully decked out ZX-10R, as you guys know it. But as far as things go, I do want y'all's honest opinion on exhaust. What are y'all looking at? So y'all let me know where y'all want me to slap on this baby. As y'all did see on the previous video, this bike does not come with carbon wheels. They stopped putting the carbon wheels. 23 model came out with carbon wheels. Maybe I'll slap on the carbon wheels from the S1000. You guys are probably wondering what's gonna happen to that bike, but as of now, still own it. We'll probably still keep it for a while and see what happens with it. Oh, I'm riding it on road, so we're gonna switch that to I'll probably ride it road all the way to our destination now, and then switch it to race mode, which won't do much right now. I mean, the bike's restricted, so I do have to put 600 miles in this bad boy in a very short period of time. By the time you're watching this video, this bike will be revealed in Atlanta, if that's the plan, right? If not, then you know, a couple of people are gonna see me with it. Let's go! Let's go! Wow, it's so smooth, bro. What the hell? So hard to believe. So hard to believe, man. Trying to get a Dixie Bros t-shirt that he dropped, Colorado's Most Wanted, as you guys know. The homie bruh got into a little fun pickle out there. So far we got 8 miles. What the hell? Woo! Get it, boy. Bro, man's got so good at the fucking wheelies, man. So good. What do you guys think about the it's already kind of like, obviously it's a racing windscreen. My honest opinion, bro, the bike's smooth as hell. I was expecting a little bit more of a rough ride since it's supposed to be a track bike. It definitely is way smoother than the it definitely is way smoother than the S1000, hands down, without a doubt. So I am gonna give BMW props on that. This bike's so comfortable, so smooth. I love, me myself, I'm 6'3", so I love the fact that it's a little bit taller. It helps me out a lot. I wonder how it's gonna feel once I'm able to drive it more, ride it more aggressively. I'm really curious on how it feels. But I'll probably fast forward the video here to when we pull up to bike night. Woo! Sounds good, Papa. The bike got ceramic coated today, as you guys saw it on the previous video, but I mean, I still want to do PPF on the front at least, because all these rock chips, man, they're just gonna mess it up. Rock chips, bugs, whatever, you know, so I'm trying to take precautions on that. All right. You're good.
Hey, at least we're both limited.
Yeah, I'm more limited than you. And this bitch at least hits 130, man. This hits like, it's like 105.
This stock, it tops out at 143.
This is 105 right now. So homie just picked up a brand new R7. We were talking about it. He picked it up yesterday. I picked mine up like 2 days ago, and I was telling him, like, I kind of wish I'd give me, I mean, if I had the money, right, I wish I'd give me an R7 just for the track, just to like have fun at the track. It looks like a pretty good, reliable bike. So it looks cool. I like the decals on it. But for now, we're stuck with this baby right here. All right, we got a couple of people going with us, and then all right, let's get it. Freaking lawnmower. All right. This bitch got hill assist. What? Yeah. All right, so the bike has hill assist. It's on. It's in neutral, yeah. That's so crazy, bro. It's in neutral. Put a clutch in. You gotta keep it going. What? That is crazy. So I guess this like hill assist that I was talking about earlier. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I didn't even know it worked that well. Mez is not wearing his glasses today, and there's a couple of people that haven't recognized him, which I think is pretty funny. And even the ones that do know him, they tell him immediately, like, "Hey bro, you look different." So I think that's pretty funny. He does look really different though. I can't do wheelies with this at all. It's so restricted. I really don't like night vlogs just because they're like so dark. But I'm just gonna keep recording. If I have to finish this vlog some other day, I will. Bro, the fact that I gotta start all over again with like exhaust, tuning, all that stuff. I mean, it's kind of annoying, but it's also fun because I already did it once. So it's just thinking about doing it again. It kind of gets me going, you know. Bro, man, still got him. That's crazy. I can't go. I'm restricted, guys. Must be nice. Woo! Don't miss the exit, baby. Come on, man. Lock it in. Bro, the slowest ride ever. The slowest ride ever, bro. Probably hang out here for a minute and then go back to Fuel City. I'm just trying to get miles on this bike, so y'all don't judge me, man. This is gonna be I would say it's a pretty boring vlog, but I'm excited just because it's a brand new bike. But yeah, let's kick it out here. The one thing I do kind of feel is like how do I explain it? The wind does, I can feel the winglets, in other words. I don't know if that makes sense. Man, I think I'm only gonna get to like 50 miles by tonight. Kind of sucks. It sounds so good with that spark exhaust. The backfiring is insane. Alright guys, let's fast forward to this is day 2 already riding the bike, and we're just at about right under 600 miles. So it's taking me a minute, but man, I have about a week to put in 600 miles on this bike before I leave out of town and come back and be ready for I really want the bike to be unlocked to go to Atlanta. And as you guys can see right next to me, we have another M1000RR. Here's my buddy Jorge out here. He also he actually got his first, and he's just right over 600 miles. I believe he has 640 or so. So he's taking his tomorrow to the dealer to get it serviced for the 600 mile breaking point. Right before we left the house, I did clean up the chain a little bit. Actually, I had to change my helmet, my vlogging helmet. I had to transition from my Pista Iridium to my gloss black carbon Pista. I don't know if it's louder or if it sounds any better, but let's hope it does. Bro, this thing is hot. I mean, y'all gonna keep hearing me whine about that, but it is hot. You can tell how this bike is a little taller. I stand on it pretty good, and Jorge's a little bit shorter than me, and he has a little bit of he has to tippy toe a little bit. Man, we're at 71. We got the homie Ben. He pulled up just now. We're doing like a little the video that he's helping me with. It's actually a video that you guys will see before this video. So by the time you watch this, it's already been out. But he's doing the he's helping me out with the vlog that I'm posting when I reveal the bike. So obviously if you're watching this video, bike's already been revealed. We got Jorge's bike, we got Reckless, and we got Abby's bike over there. But I think Ben's got everything ready. He mic'd up the exhaust right here. I gotta be careful with that because I don't want to lose his mic. But are we good to go, Ben? Yeah. All right, cool. Man, I hate this new helmet. Okay, got it. All right, I'm gonna go around and I'll come back. All right. When we parked there, I did ask Jorge if his bike feels hot, and he did say it does feel a little hotter than the S1000. Because ironically, we have both of the same bikes. Alright guys, this video is taking a minute just to make. Actually ended up hitting the 100 miles off camera. It was too dark. My GoPro had a dark lens on it. This is going to be the last part of the vlog. It's going to be me, Reckless, and Mess. So far, all I have to say about this bike for the first 100 miles I've ridden it, we're at 133 now, but for the first 100 miles that I've ridden it, main thing I noticed on it, it's really smooth. I do have to adjust my suspension. It is a manual suspension, it's not electronic. But let's see what's up to homie. What up, G? But besides that, it's still a very smooth ride on this bike. And the other thing is, on the right side of the kind of like around my thigh, knee area, there's a whole lot of heat coming from there. I think it has to do with the way the fairings are constructed on this bike. I think they cover up a lot of the smoke. I mean, I think the fairings cover up a majority of the breathing parts of the bike, so there's not a lot of airflow going through it. Besides that, the bike's, it's amazing so far. Not until I tune it and get an exhaust on it, I'll let you guys know if it's definitely worth over 40 grand. But so far, I love the bike. No bad complaints about it yet. Oh, I did put a screen protector on it, but I don't like it. It's matte. I wanted a gloss one so I can see the reflection of the GoPro and I can tell if I'm recording or not. I mean, overall, it's so stock, man. I'm trying to enjoy these last few miles with the bike being just so, feels like a 250. Cash? Oh, gas? I might make it.
Yeah, like 80 miles. We should be good then,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so Maz just pulled up. We're gonna go ride a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because this vlog is way too long just putting those miles on this bike. So I'm just gonna finish it off here, man. It's too boring of a vlog, and I was just kind of giving my review on the bike so far. What is that? Bro, a bird just shit on you? That's good luck. Now, well, that's how we finish off a vlog with some shit on Mass. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys are loving the bike so far. There's so much coming for this bike. I can't wait to show you. But up until the next one, if you haven't liked the video already, give it a thumbs up. It just kind of helps the algorithm here on my end. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the bike. But until the next one, like, subscribe. Y'all ride safe, guys. Peace.